Hi, I'm George Antonopoulos, President and Chief Investment Strategist at Wall Street Investments, and it's Saturday, August 2nd, 2025. And what a year it's been. This is the mid-year investment review for 2025. It's been an incredible year. The stock market is so resilient. Even with a pullback yesterday on Friday, August 1st, all three stock market indices, the S&P 500, the Dow Jones Industrial Average, and the NASDAQ are all higher year to date. And it's not an accident that all three stock market indices are up year to date. That's because of lower inflation and strong corporate earnings. These have driven the stock market higher this year. It is a leading indicator, the stock market, of the future. So it's saying that the future is bright. So the only question we have to ask ourselves is, why haven't they lowered interest rates? Well, who knows? But we'll revisit that at the Christmas Hanukkah holiday special in December later this year. So why we need lower interest rates is because that will reduce the mortgage rates that consumers pay on their home mortgages, auto loans, corporate growth. There's a lower cost of capital or cost to do business. So that will help the economy. It'll also reduce our interest income that we pay on our $37 trillion of national debt. Let me repeat that. 37 trillion with a T of national debt. That's unsustainable. So the way to solve some of that problem is for the Federal Reserve to lower interest rates. You see, fuel costs are the main driver of higher costs. Now that fuel costs and energy costs have dropped, that lowers distribution costs and transportation costs. That's why inflation has fallen so tremendously, because all those items lower inflation because it lowers the cost of doing business. So we've got a strong, robust economy. We've got a growing stock market. We've got rising corporate profits. So taken all together, this is a perfect recipe for success. So with all that said, with the markets all being up year to date, well, what does the future hold? The future always holds the same thing. There's a stock market correction once a year, every year, where the markets fall 15 to 20%, just like they did in March and April of 2025. That leads us to the conclusion. What should you do? Well, number one, always contribute with that incredible discipline of putting in monthly into your 401k, IRA, your tax-deferred account. Do not listen to the media. Do not listen to the noise. Stay the course. That means, very simply, do not panic when the media and everybody's trying to put fear into you. Stay the course and push the noise to the side. Be diversified, don't chase any fads, and keep some portion in cash. Harvest cash so that you can buy when the market goes into a 15 to 20% market correction, which it does every year. And we're going to have a bear market. A bear market comes every 3 to 4 years, which is about 3 or 4 times more severe than what we just experienced in March, April 2025. The stock market goes up 11% a year on average. It always has. That's on average over long periods of time. Make sure that you're paying attention to your wealth manager and what they are trying to teach you on an ongoing basis. Stay the course in your portfolio. Invest methodically on a monthly basis. Always. You should be investing at least 10% of your income. Number 2, have a 30-year time horizon. I say 30 years because 30 years is about the exact amount of time that you want to have your portfolio working for you, so you can go all the way through all the market undulations, all the ups and downs and in-betweens. Very important. Also, another secret of success is the rule of 72. As long as you understand the rule of 72 and staying the course, you're going to be doing just fine. So the rule of 72 is simply this. 72 divided by your rate of return equals the number of years your investment will double. So if you're making 10 to 12% per year on average, 72 divided by 12 equals 6. So your portfolio will double in 6 years if you're making 12% a year. So staying the course, rule of 72, staying disciplined on making your monthly retirement contributions in a disciplined manner, those are the secrets to success. Not chasing things or, FOMO or worrying about the next fad. It's literally understanding what you own. That's the Warren Buffett school of investing. If you don't understand something, don't invest in it. It's that simple. So on behalf of everyone at Wall Street Investments, again, my name is George Antonopoulos. Thank you so much for your investment in time in watching the mid-year, semi-annual special that we have. And if you're interested in speaking with us, give us a call at 855-888-WALL. That's 855-888-9255. Or you can visit us at wallstreetinvestments.com. That's wallstreetinvestments.com. Or you can scan the QR code below. And in this QR code, you can set up a portfolio review meeting. Or if you're new to our firm, you can schedule a complimentary, no strings attached telephone call with one of our specialists. So we're here for you. We'd love to speak with you. Again, thank you for your time and enjoy the rest of your summer. Happy Labor Day. And we'll see you at the Christmas Hanukkah holiday special here live from Wall Street in December of this year. Thank you and have a great day.